So, hello everyone. Today's topic is speaking cue card. Describe someone you know who is good at cooking. You should say who this person is, how you know him, what kind of food they cook, and explain why this person is good at cooking. I would like to say that my mother is the best cook. It may seem that children are biased towards their mothers in case of cooking, but my mother is generally good at cooking. She is actually quite popular among our family members. She likes to try cooking different kinds of dishes. Her specialty is Punjabi food, but she also loves cooking Chinese dishes. One of my favorite dish is kidney beans and rice. The way she cooks that dish is simply mouth-watering. My friends keep on requesting me to invite them whenever she cooks that particular dish. My mother tells me that she got her cooking skills in her genes because her own mother was also a great cook. So it runs in the family. There is only one downside that she expects me to be a good cook as it is in the blood. But I don't think that I would be able to reach that level. Apart from that, she has a good gift for cooking. The taste that her food has can be found in nowhere. So here are the follow-up questions. Why is cooking important? Cooking is important as it is one of the basic necessities of life and person should not depend on someone else for food. So every single person should know how to cook even if it is basic. Do you know how to cook? Yes, as a matter of fact, I'm very good cook. I learned some of the dishes from my mother, some of the dishes, and now I have developed interest in cooking. Should women be confined to cooking? I completely disagree to this statement. Women should not be confined to cooking. Even the men around the house should know how to cook. Women of today have a great deal of responsibility in their jobs and have hectic schedules as well. So they should not be confined to cooking. From where did you or you would like to learn cooking? I learned how to cook from my mother when I was young. Which is the first dish that you cooked and why? I still remember that the first dish I cooked was a very simple dish of cauliflower, and I was told by my entire family that the dish was really delicious. I cooked it because it was too easy to cook. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit a like button if you like our video. Thank you.